Hello guys, my name is ATP and in this video I'm going to test 3 of the top trading indicators for 2024 mentioned in other YouTube videos to discover if they are really good as they seem or if it is total nonsense, and I will share all the proven and real results of each one with you. Let's get started. Before starting our tests to these top 3 indicators to discover their real efficiency, let's define our backtesting sample, which is going to be always the same so we can have the most reliable results possible and in a way that we will be able to compare them at the end of the video. And this is because I will want to use the best one to create a new trading strategy for 2024. But I will talk more about that at the end of the video. So for every indicator, which will always be tested with the default settings, I will perform 2 backtests using 2 different time frames, the 30-minute time frame and the 4-hour one. Then for each one, I will always use the data from the years 2022 and 2023, which is a good sample size, and I will apply all these backtests to 10 different assets across the Forex, crypto, stock and metals market. The risk per trade will always be 2%, taking into account an initial trading capital of $1,000, and for the risk management I will use a simple one with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This is a well-diverse sample that will tell us the real statistics about each indicator. So, without further ado, let's insert the top 3 indicators on our TradingView charts, which by the way are all free to use. You just need to create a free account on TradingView, and for that you can use the link that is on the description that will give you $30 to use on this platform. The first indicator we will insert is called Tri-State SuperTrend, this one by Stefan. I am sure you all know the SuperTrend indicator, which I had previously analyzed on my channel. The SuperTrend is a decent indicator, but I usually don't use it because I believe its signals appear a little late. But let's see if this version of the SuperTrend is more accurate than the usual one. On the chart, you can see that besides the buy and sell signals, this improved SuperTrend indicator also displays a range signal that will filter some fake signals. So, in theory, this sounds like a good improvement, but let's now analyze the real results of this indicator. To do that in the fastest and most accurate way possible, I'm going to create a new trading bot with the Tri-State SuperTrend coded and all the other rules from my sample conditions. I will do that and I will be right back. The trading bot is ready, and you can see that it takes long positions when the Tri-State SuperTrend displays a buy signal on the chart and short positions when the indicator displays a sell signal. The stop loss is always inserted on the last swing high or low, and the take profit is always fixed on the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio zone. On the bot's menu, as you can see, I define that it will only take trades from the 1st of January 2022 until the last trading day of 2023. It displays every trade on the chart and the results down below on the strategy tester, and every time I click on a new asset or on a new time frame, it updates the results in seconds. Also, on the list of trades tab, I can see all the information about each trade, which is highly important. This trading bot is a powerful tool that allows us to discover the real results of every trading strategy and to become profitable traders. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can assess it, because now it's time for the backtests. To get all the info, I will apply the Tri-State SuperTrend trading bot to these 10 assets and in the 2 different timeframes I have defined, and I will download all the trades my bot takes to create a highly professional Excel that will show us all the average results of the strategy, including the equity chart. I will speed up this process, create the trading journals in Excel, and I will be right back. So, after inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the Tri-State SuperTrend on the 30-minute time frame and here on the 4-hour one. And you can notice that the results on this last time frame were much better than on the smaller one. On the 30-minute time frame, after 1,630 trades, this indicator got a win rate of 37.36% with a net loss of 56.75% and an average drawdown of 43%. And as you can see by looking at the equity chart, the results here are not good. But on a larger time frame, this indicator got a win rate of almost 50% and after 258 trades got a net profit of 117%, just with an average drawdown of 3.59%. And the equity chart looks pretty good, the complete opposite of the 30-minute time frame one. So, although the results in this time frame are very good, I would prefer to see results more balanced in both time frames, as this will make me more certain that the Tri-State SuperTrend is a stable indicator. But before we move on to conclusions, let's go back to TradingView to analyze the next indicator. On the top 2 indicator, we got another type of supertrend, but a little more exciting, called Volume SuperTrend AI, which was created by this fellow trader. This improved supertrend uses volume data to find the stronger entry signals and at the same time uses an AI component that improves the accuracy of the signals by analyzing market movements. On the chart, the best entry signals are given by these red and green arrows. So, again, in theory, this sounds like a highly efficient indicator, and in these videos all the examples shown look really impressive. But to confirm that, I will create a new trading bot to analyze the real results of this indicator. So the trading bot is created and working correctly. As you can see, all the trading conditions are the same ones as before, including the data sample and the risk management, but now the entries happen after these strong signals appear on the indicator. And now there is only one thing left to do. Backtest. I will do it in the same way as before, by speeding up the video, and I will come back after creating the new trading journal. After inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the Volume SuperTrend AI on the 30-minute time frame and here on the 4-hour one. On the 30-minute time frame, after 828 trades, this indicator got a win rate of 40.17% with a net profit of 33.63% and an average drawdown of 17.73%. And by looking at the equity chart, we can see that in the first months of 2022, this indicator got a big drawdown, but after that, the results were a little more consistent, and it's easy to conclude that on this time frame, the results from this indicator are much better than the ones from the Tri-State SuperTrend. But nevertheless, nothing special. Then, on the 4-hour time frame, this indicator got a win rate of around 42% and after 112 trades, got a net profit of 9.74% with an average drawdown of 10.45%. And the equity chart looks flat. The results in this time frame were not as good as the Tri-State SuperTrend, but they were more balanced between the two samples. Before conclusions, let's return to TradingView for the last time to analyze the last indicator on our list. On the top 1 indicator, we have the OKX Signal Bot, this one here. This innovative buy and sell indicator was created based on the concepts of the legendary turtle trade system, which was created by the famous trader Richard Dennis, that turned $5,000 into more than $100 million. This turtle trading system is based on taking a long position during a price breakout and quickly selling on a retracement or price fall, and the opposite is true for short positions. And by using the OKX indicator, you can have on your charts the exact moments when you should buy, sell or exit from a position. Quite exciting too. So I'm going to create a third trading bot with this system so we can analyze this indicator to get to know its real results. Again, the trading bot is created and working properly, and this time I changed the take profit criteria to correspond to the exit signals that the indicator prints in order to respect the rules of the turtle system, just like Richard Dennis has defined. So let's now jump to the final backtests. I will again download all the trades my bot takes in the 2 time frames, create the trading journal and come back so we can take our final conclusions. I'll see you again in a bit. After inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the OKX Signal Bot on the 30-minute time frame and here on the 4-hour one. On the 30-minute time frame, after more than 11,000 trades, this indicator got a win rate of 32.75% with a net profit close to 500% and an average drawdown of 116%, which is not a good sign. But we have to notice that this indicator gave thousands of signals, so it's not very fair to judge it by this performance. Because when analyzing the equity curve, we can see that it is not as bad as, for example, the one from the Tri-State SuperTrend. And then, on the 4-hour time frame, this indicator got a win rate of around 35% and after almost 1,300 trades, got a net profit of 206% with an average drawdown of 22%, and the equity chart looks fairly consistent. And although the win rates were lower, the average risk-reward ratio of each trade is higher than the 1:2 risk-to-reward ratio zone, which is very good and resulting from the exit method of this system. The most important thing is that this was the indicator with the most consistent results in the 2 different timeframes, which show us that within these top 3, this indicator is the most consistent and therefore it is fair to keep it in the top 1 place. After more than 15,000 trades, here we have all the results about these top 3 indicators for 2024. As you can see, these indicators by themselves are not going to turn you into a profitable trader. But if you create a more consistent strategy around them, you can for sure find something good and profitable in the long run. And to show you how that is possible, in a future video I'm going to create a new trading strategy using the OKX Signal Bot indicator that all of you will be able to use for free. If you'd like to use this trading bot I created, I will share it with you, not only with the OKX indicator, but also with the addition of some filter indicators that you can use to optimize this system. With this trading tool, you can not only backtest or optimize a strategy in seconds, but you can also automate the trading process. The bot calculates everything for you, including the lot size, deals with the stop losses and take profits, applies every single condition in seconds, and by using it you can enjoy the profits without having any work. You can check this video on my channel to see how the bot works. The link to that video is in the description. And you can have access to it and many other trading bots with different trading strategies by becoming a member of my Patreon, starting at just $4. Yes, with $4 you will have access to this powerful and efficient trading tool. All the links, both to my Patreon and to find out what bots I have available at the moment, are in the description as well. Besides that, I can also give you the opportunity to work directly with me, whether to create your dream trading strategy, to conduct professional statistical studies and robustness tests to your strategy, or even if you'd like to have a meeting directly with me so I can help you in your personal needs. All that information is on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to help me continue to bring you this type of unique trading content. Be well, thank you and bye bye.